Okay, we've learned how to calculate mean, median, and mode on paper using the formula. So now let's learn how to use Excel. You can open an Excel and use the Excel spreadsheet. So I have the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is the mean. And we want to round to 3 decimal places. So for the mean, you're going to use the average formula, and you're going to highlight your numbers, close your parenthesis, enter, and so our mean here would be 19604.778. Notice I clicked on the increase decimal button, so I would have 3 decimal places. Okay, for the median, you're going to use equals MEDIAN, median, and you're going to highlight your numbers. Okay, and you want to make sure it's 3 decimal places. Okay, for the mode, so the thing about the mode is if you don't have a mode, then you're going to get this symbol or this pound not applicable. If you have more than one mode in Excel, it's only going to give you one mode as an answer. So your best bet would be to highlight the cells and to sort from smallest to largest, and that way you can actually just find the mode by looking at the numbers in order. But here we don't have a mode. Okay, so that's how you do the mean, median, and mode. And here there's no mode, and the median is, okay, so see how this is worded? Don't let that confuse you. If you want to, you can draw this out. So if you look at this, our mean is 19604 and our median is about 19204. So our median is here, always in the middle, and our mean is 19604. So it's right skewed, but the way they worded it is a little bit different because the median is less than. The median here is less than the mean. Then it is right skewed. Let's look at number 8 here. So here you're going to do the mean, you're going to do the median, and here there's no mode. So it's asking you which would best describe the data set, which measure of central tendency. Well, the rule is that the median is going to be the best measure if you have outliers. And an outlier is a number that is extremely high or is extremely low for the data set. And so if there is a skew, if your average is higher, then that means that, or lower, then that means you have outliers. So if you have right skewed or left skewed data, then that means that the best measure would be the median. If you don't have outliers, then either. But here, since the mean was larger, it was right skewed, so you wouldn't want to use the mean as the measure of central tendency. The best measure when you have skewness is the median. Go with the median. And then same thing, because the median is less than the mean. Okay, so here the median was less, so it was right skewed. Same thing as the other problem we worked. Okay. Question 9 is the same. You're going to calculate the mean, the median, and the mode. And if you look at the mean and median here, the mean is 1.114 and the median is 1.11, so it's very close. So they're not exactly the same, but since they're so close, you could use either the mean or the median. Because the median is roughly equal to the mean, the distribution is symmetrical. Let me see about question 10. Same thing. You're just calculating, and you're going through these questions and answering those. So let me know if you have any questions.